Sorry about that, guys. Sorry about being dark right here, guys. I was almost too late to catch him, guys. I fell right to sleep, guys. He came around 12 tonight, guys. He's on his way. They're on the way to Hugo. Alright, they're driving hers tonight, guys. They're driving them too tonight. They're back this way tomorrow night, guys. Woo! Alright, guys. Welcome back to Kiamichi Road Shorelines, guys. Woo! That was a very long train. There might have been 70 freight cars. I don't know, guys, but that was a very long train I've never seen in a while. Last time I seen a long train, last time my other friends was carrying 100 freight cars. Now that was the longest train I've ever seen, so this is the longest train I've ever seen tonight. But I know sometime I'll catch them in another spot where there's light or something, guys. I'm on a bicycle, guys. I barely caught them on a bicycle, guys. Whew. I'm happy I caught them now because I don't want to go all the way to Garvin to catch them tonight. I'll just catch them. I'll catch them at Garvin in my truck sometime. And soon. But right now, guys, I want to go ride my bicycle and head home, guys. Don't forget to stop, look, listen, guys. If you're a freight train coming, please stop. Do not proceed to the crossing, guys. If you see a freight train coming or headlights coming around the corner, just like you seen in my video, just peeking around the corner, guys. Do not beat a train, guys. They're faster than you, and they win every time, guys. And it takes a mile from the stop, guys, after they hit you, guys. And guys, I can hear them all from here. They're about 10 miles. I love that sound, guys. Alright, guys, trains do stop after they hit you, so please, guys, trains do not stop. You do, guys. Alright, guys, if you're a freight train coming, please stop. Don't proceed to the crossing, guys. Do not race to beat a freight train, guys. That's reckless and dumb, guys, and that can get you killed, and it can probably get you hurt if you're lucky, or out of the car or truck unscathed, guys. Please don't run road crossings, guys. They're dangerous, and they're there for your protection. And please yield for those signs, guys, and for the crossing bucks and the road crossing bell and lights and stick, guys. That's what the crossing horns are there for some of the roads, guys, for main highways and something, guys. Please yield for any railroad crossing lights or bell, or railroad crossing lights and bell and railroad crossing gate, guys. I mean the sticks, guys. Please don't go around them, guys. Please don't go around with an oncoming train, guys. Just wait the freight train out. Wait till it passes, guys. They might stop, they may not stop. They may be going through, or they might stop to pick up a load, guys. But I'm not sure, guys. So please, guys, please wait a train. If you don't have the patience to wait for a train, guys, please find a safe way around the train as far as you can. So if you have any roads near your neighborhood or countryside, guys, like this here, please judge your distance with a train at night, guys, and during the day, guys, because there's blind spots down these road tracks, guys, and you can get yourself hurt or killed, guys. And please don't be walking on the tracks, guys. If you're a freight train coming, please get on the side of the tracks, guys. Anything like headphones, anything like that, guys. If you can't hear the freight train coming with your headphones on, guys, please look up towards the train. Make sure you look twice, make sure. And if you ain't sure, take off your headphones and hear for the sound. About like that. So they should make Hugo probably about maybe 2 o'clock or 3. It depends if they're dropping the load off in Valiant to the Queen Rails, guys. Alright, guys, I'm going to head on now. Alright, guys, thanks for watching Kiamichi Road Shorelines, guys. You know what do, what not do, guys. Please yell at railroad crossing, guys. Any railroad crossing, guys. Railroad crossing, crossing buck, railroad crossing bell, railroad crossing cantilever, railroad crossing, railroad bell, crossing, and a gate organism, guys. Please don't go around them. Please stop at them, guys. And please do not break those railroad crossing gate sticks, guys. Railroad crossing gates, guys. The sticks I'm telling you about. I'm saying that 3 times so you know, I don't know what he's saying. The railroad crossing arms you see when you're on roads, guys. Alrighty, guys. Catch you guys later. Thank you for watching Kiamichi Road Shorelines, guys. Marshalling out. Johnson by Johnson Record Service outside of Idabel. Marshalling out. Sorry about the phone. Sorry about my video, guys.